Yo gamers, what's poppin'? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Fortnite onto your Windows 11 computer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser. So into the search, just search for Fortnite. Go ahead and hit enter. And then one of the best matches should be epicgames.com. Select the Fortnite download. So if you select the download button up at the top right, you can left click on it and select the PC option, and then you just would sign in with your account, or sign up, I should say. So since I don't feel like signing up with an account for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go on another third-party site to just download the installer. So I'm just going to search for Fortnite File Hippo. You can get it directly from the Epic Games page we went to here. I just don't feel like creating an account right now. So anyway, I'm going to go under filehippo.com, go ahead and open up Fortnite Battle Royale, select download latest version for Windows. No thanks, continue to download Fortnite Battle Royale. Reason why I'm going here is I don't have to enter in an account in order to actually download the file. So once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run the setup. And you can close out of the web browser this time. Select the install button. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And once it's done, go ahead and select yes. And go ahead and select yes. So there you go, guys. Like I said, you just would sign into Epic Games now, but it has been installed on our computer. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.